Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make Cuban coffee. Alright you guys, so here's everything that you're going to be needing to make the perfect Cuban coffee. You can get these coffees at your local supermarket, and if you can't find it, I'll leave a link in my description below so that you guys can get one for yourselves. And you're going to need sugar. So I took everything apart so that you guys can actually see it. So it comes with this and the bottom part. I already put water on it, but I literally put water right underneath this little knob right here. Do you guys see it? Yeah, right underneath that mark. So then you're going to put this cap on and you're going to fill this with coffee, and I'm going to show you right now. Coffee all the time, so I would usually spoon it out, but there's literally not much left in here. So. Oh yeah, see that? Okay, take two. So good thing I had backup. So you're just gonna spoon this in here and you are going to pack this baby down. We like our coffee really strong. So you're gonna pack it in there. I think one more. Okay, that looks good. Then we're gonna put the top on. Put the top on, and it literally goes on fairly easily. You're gonna turn on your stove. This is so important that you guys pay attention in the next couple seconds. I'm gonna leave this on high. Make sure you get this little handle away from the flame because that is hot. I'm gonna leave this top open. Now we're gonna make the espuma for the coffee, so pay attention. We're gonna shift over to the right to make the espuma. But the first couple drops of this is the gold of this coffee. So while this is heating up, we're going to come over here. Now, however much sugar is up to you. But to me, I think the more sugar, the more espuma. So we're literally going to go in here. I think that's good. It's up to you. You can put like 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. It's up to you. That's how much I like to use. It looked like it was coming out faster. So I do have this on high heat, and you want to let it be for about like 3 to 4 minutes, and then you kind of want to be over here hovering over it because it's literally going to start spouting out. And if you listen closely, I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but you can hear it boiling. So it will literally start coming out, and then those first, there it is, these first couple drops is what you want. So you're gonna put these first, see how thick it is? Drops in here. You're gonna put that back on here, and this is what you're gonna work with. And it's already bubbling. And the rest of it's done, so be careful. This could kind of bubble out. So we are finished. My espuma is done right on time, and we're literally just gonna pour it right on top. I'll show you. Just pour it on, and you'll see the espuma just rise. I'm going to leave a little bit on the side because I am on keto and I can't have regular sugar. But that's how you make your Cuban coffee, you guys. Thanks for watching.